we're going to play a game called the puppy and the kitty cat, and you guys can play this as well. Let me see your fists. This is a puppy and a kitty. Let's see if you can follow along with me. Here is a little puppy, and here is a kitty cat. Puppy goes to sleep all curled up on his mat. Kitty creeps up slowly and tickles Puppy's chin. Puppy wakes up quickly, and the chase begins. Let's see your puppies and kitty cats again. Here's a little puppy, and here's a kitty cat. Puppy goes to sleep all curled up on his mat. Kitty creeps up slowly and tickles Puppy's chin. Puppy wakes up quickly, and the chase begins.